Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this short video I'm going to briefly talk about your stranded inventory. Here I'm on the inventory page, and sometimes you will see that you have some items in your stranded inventory. If you go there, you will see a list of products which are stranded, and there are different reasons why it could happen. So for example, here I have two items. The bottom one is placed here because of the pricing error, so I specifically put the minimum price higher than my selling price, and as a result that item ended in the stranded inventory. I have that item in my inventory, but I can't sell it because of the pricing error. Another item is here because you can see the stranded reason, and it is saying deleted listing. So what happened here was that I sold this item quite a while ago, and since then I have removed that listing, and then customer returned that item back to Amazon, and as a result I don't have a listing to match that item to, and it has been placed in the stranded inventory. Next to each item you have a list of actions which you can perform against that item to fix that problem with the stranded inventory. So in the first case, I can either remove the item from Amazon by creating a removal order, or I can create a listing. For the second item, I can either create a removal order and remove that item from Amazon. I can fix the pricing here by increasing the price, or I can go to pricing and then adjust my minimum and maximum price for that item. Once the price is fixed, this item is going to be removed from the stranded inventory. I hope this video was useful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.